We'll guide you through how to move pictures in Word freely. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Word. So I've been working on this document here, and now the time has come where I want to go and start adding in an image, maybe even multiple, and I want to be able to go move it freely. So I can go and place it where I want to, and go and adjust around the text. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is come into the Word document you want to do this with. Next, we want to go and add in the image we want to do this with. So what you need to do is come to the top of Word. By default, you're going to be on the Home tab in the ribbon. You want to go to the top and you can go and press Insert. And then in here, what you need to do is go and find the option for Pictures, like so, and go and click on it. And we can then choose where you want to go and insert it from. You can go and get it from your device. So your File Explorer will open up and you can select it. You can generate an image, which is really cool with AI. You can go and look at stock images and also other pictures online. So you go and choose the source. In this case, I'm going to use this device. Then what we need to do is go and locate it for me. So I'm going to come into my assets here and I want to go and use this icon here, or this picture, I should say. So with it selected, you then want to go and press Insert and it's now going to be added. So to go and resize it, you can go and use these corner points, click, hold and drag. If you want to go and sort of squish it or make it longer or bigger, use the side points like so. I don't want to do that though. I want to go and keep its ratio. But you're going to find if you try and click and hold it, it's not easy to freely move. So to go and make it to be able to be freely moved, what you need to do is go and have it selected. And then what you need to do is go and press on the layout options in the top right. And then what we can do is come into text wrapping. And you're going to go and see these different options here. So personally, I just go and use square. Then what you can do is go and start freely moving it, as you can see. Then we can go and start resizing it and the text's going to go and move around it. You can try choosing different layout options to go and find what goes and works best for you, but I find that the square option is best. And what you also do is select move of text as well. So you can go and adjust this to your liking, and that's it. You've now successfully gone and added an image and you're able to go and freely move it. And of course, you can go and repeat that for more. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.